Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying capability. Check if your laptop USB-C supports DisplayPort Alt mode, or if you must use a display link adapter for USB-A. Plug in power to the dock first. This avoids undervoltage. Once done, install the latest graphics driver and the adapter or display link driver. Installers require admin rights, so run them now and reboot when prompted. You need a stable driver base, otherwise the displays won't enumerate correctly, so make sure drivers are current before moving on. You now connect the displays to the dock or adapters, plug monitors into the dedicated video ports, and then connect the dock to the laptop. If your dock supports MSD, chain display port monitors in the correct port order, otherwise use separate outputs. Once physically connected, open your OS display settings, arrange monitor positions, set primary display, and match resolutions and refresh rates to avoid scaling issues. Make sure GPU scaling and driver control panels reflect the choices, because mismatched settings cause flicker or limited resolutions. You finish by validating the multi-display workflow. Drag apps between screens, check taskbars and audio routing, and confirm performance under load. If a monitor is black, first swap cables and ports, then reconnect the dock to the laptop. Simple reseating often resolves enumeration problems. If resolution is limited, update GPU and display link drivers, and if available, enable or disable DP Alt mode in firmware. This toggles video routing. Finally, reboot with everything connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.